Ready?
Ready, yeah, go.
Go. What are you doing?
What's
You got your fingers on the brake. You're always pulling in the brake as you're going along, you dummy. It's your cripple. It's your bloody...
Ready? Go on, show.
Go. I done it. Like I suspected. We'll see what it's like a bit talky up the hill. There's another straight along here. Conk. What's up with the thing?
Hey?
You had your hand on the brake.
No, I ain't doing that. That was it. I was balls out.
You're tapping the brake.
Pulled away from me.
I know. It's what I thought though, to be honest. After the last ride, my conclusion was, well...
Yeah, you completely pulled away from me though.
This needed to be tested with someone a bit lighter on. We're going to try it again just along here. Yeah, just along here. I might even let you have a little bit of head start. You say go then.
Ready? Go. Hey, get here.
Go on in. The Surron baby is still hitting a high standard. We got a hill along here. We'll try it on there.
Sport then, oh yeah.
I don't have it in anything else but sport.
Oh, that's right.
What do you think I am?
Just wait, pull away.
Well, yeah. It's quite even when you got you on here. We should get the weigh-in sling out when we get home. I say the sling because the scales aren't big enough. We can put you on the cement sling. Yeah. It's very accurate. Oh god, here we go. What, you want to try it here then?
Can I try it again here?
Yeah, you can say go. I'll let you have a head start.
Right then, yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
There. Give him a second. Are you joking me?
Go.
Every time. Surron baby. I don't even have to tuck up. Now, here's a hill. This is quite a bit of an incline. Ready, stop? Or do you want to do a rolling start then?
Start if it's the... Oh, I got caught up.
Yeah, yeah.
Go.
Again. What's that? 4 out of 4. Let's try a rolling one then. This will be the last one. Get up to about 10 or 15.
I got 10, yeah?
I got 10.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
I was a couple of double-decker lengths ahead of him then. That's impressive, Surron.
Right, 15, look.
Do you think that's going to hurt you? That's
ready? Go.
5 out of 5. Oh, black cab, length ahead of him. Wow, Bullhead. That's 6 out of 6 to me. 6 strikes and you're out. Yeah, we just wanted to just do that little test off-road and also with a different rider. Should we swap then?
Yeah, definitely.
Right then.
Yeah.
I better shut it. Bullhead's got a bad back is his excuse, he can't get on. He borrows my bikes, can't get on and off.
No.
Wears these sort of gloves, look.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
He's chopped off the fingertips because he said they were too long. Because he's got, his hands are like trotters.
No, trotters. And you got some, look at you got some sort of piano fingers also now.
Piano fingers.
Piano fingers. Good spots in here, look, look at that.
Oh yeah, I know. No,
on that bend, on that far back bank.
back. What? On the bend, on that back
Yeah,
band.
fire on the back bank in there now.
Mate, English.
You're on that back bank. Look at clear spots.
Yeah, you sold your KX85 to go fishing, didn't you, to France? So, yeah, you are a fisher billy. A fisher billy or whatever, is that what they call them? Hillbilly, fisher billy. Well, close it. He was trying to hint to me to close it for him. Whoa! What's happened to your ankle? Dog had you or something?
Yeah.
Oh, Bullhead, you lazy. Oh yeah, he got a bad back. I want to pass him, he's really slowing me down. Can't see. There's any great big holes anywhere. I don't want to hit that fence. Oh, don't want to slide off. I'll do the gate, don't worry.
Yeah, go on then, steady. I've got a handle on it though.
Handle!
Oh, I couldn't do that.
Handle, mate. Not handle.
Handle.
You're proper bumpkin, ain't you, that? Yeah, look, it's shut before anyone gives me grief. Go on then. Show me back wheel, Bullhead. That's what they used to call you on your grifter.
I had a striker.
Striker.
Yeah, that's 70. Striker.
Striker, I wouldn't.
I was a green one, no, it was a green striker. What's this bigger like? That's quite bigger.
Oh look, there's one of those egots, or whatever they are.
What you got?
An egot. It's like a white herring. It's flown off. Egot.
I haven't seen that as eagle.
Oh, that looks interesting. Shame we can't get in there. It's proper fence stuff. Go on then, you idiot. Crazy fool. Oh, I should have brought the magnet. Do you know what? I was going to bring the magnet.
Yeah, I've been perfect, look. I was on that for 5 minutes.
I actually had a look at it and thought we won't use it.
This was perfect.
See, people would have thrown stuff off the train.
Yeah, that's it. No, they weren't there.
That's a good place to dispose of something. Let's get in there. Do a few steps. You're a step virgin, aren't you?
I watched the film BMX Bandits. Huh?
Yeah, but
I
watching.
watched the film though, BMX Bandits.
So you've got the theory, you just need the practical.
I don't know.
Oh, Bullhead, he's scared. There's a camera there, facing right on me. Hopefully this bike doesn't mind a few steps. Ooh. Oh. You're not man enough. Here's a little set here. Watch out the way, I'm going to do it quickly. And then I'll come back round the car park. Oh, I just love a few steps. Back out this car park then. I don't trust knobblies on tarmac. Where is he? still a step virgin then. Buller's getting his face all over the cameras. Can't see anyone there. Let's get out of here. Oh yeah, you.
Oh, nice and gentle cruise, weren't we?
Get out of, come on, follow me.
Go on then, I'm about. Oh yeah.
Oh, what's that, mate? Sorry. But even though you got the faster bike, you still can't keep up. Well, what are you then? I tell you what, you're going so slow, you got flies stuck on your mudguard. Mate, they're all on my light and they're all on your mudguard.
Never mind that, man, you was losing.
If I go any slower, I'll be going backwards.
You've got 2 speed stop.
Hey, there's somebody who watches this channel and he loves Man United. Oh, something down my back. Oh no, that ain't a wasp. What's your favourite? Hedgehog? You like hedgehog? Oh my god, people are gonna unsubscribe now.
Have a rook pie, have a rook pie.
Rook pie? I knew it'd do that, I knew it. Yeah, like Seacross now, it'd be off. Oh no. You were lucky. Hey, stop doing that! We can all play that game. Ah, sorry mate. Did you like that?
Very nice.